guys, it's John here, and today we're going to be continuing on from the last episode where we made the skirting and the doors. Okay, so the first step I'm going to do is go add mesh plane. I'm going to go on the z-axis, and I'm just going to cover the whole room, all the rooms. Okay, I've done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move the ceiling up a bit. Good. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is click H to hide the ceiling, and I'm going to be creating the cornices. So what I'm going to do is go add mesh plane, go GY RX 90. Now let's go Command R, let's go GZ, and now let's go GY 1 minus, because I know that the default plane is 2 meters by 2 meters, so now I cut it in half and you just need to move it on the y-axis by 1 meter, like that. Okay, and now we go Command B to bevel it. Okay, let's go let's go GZ, S to scale, S, okay, SY. Let's add a solidify modifier just to give it some nice thickness, like that. Okay, good. Now let's go on the z-axis. We can scale it down a bit, like that again. Okay, let's thin it like that, and let's move this up a bit. Okay, now let's just move it like that first. Then go Shift D RZ90, and we're doing almost the same thing as we did for the skirting. However, we're going to be doing it for the ceiling, and B, we're going to do this individually for each room. So you're going to do like that, and I'll just fast forward this bit a teeny bit. Okay, I've done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go Shift D RZ90 minus, and I'm just going to move the corners a bit like that. Good. Okay, like that. Then let's duplicate this again, and you probably get the points, but I'll just show you a bit more. If we just check this out. Okay, rotate 180 degrees. Okay, and if we just move that like that a teeny bit. Okay, good. And if we just check inside, let's say, a room, this is kind of what we would see. It's looking actually quite nice, I think. Anyway, let's finish this up. I'll be back when I've done. Okay, I've done. Now let's unhide the ceiling, and I'm going to go View, Navigation, Walk Navigation, and then you just play this like a video game. And I'm just going to check the interior. So this is very useful, so you can just see what it looks like inside, because you can't see this kind of stuff with normal camera view. I quite like it actually. So Now what I'm going to do is let's just exit it. By right clicking you'll go back to the view you already were before you went to walk navigation. So what I'm going to do now is, I think we actually have done. No, we've done. So this is the end of the video. Bye.